Nothing ruins an indoor grilling experience faster than a kitchen filled with smoke, lingering food odors, and cleanup that feels harder than cooking the meal itself. If you've been looking for a way to enjoy grilled food year-round without stepping outside or setting off your smoke alarm, this product might catch your attention for all the right reasons. Today, we're taking a close look at the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer Food Station. This appliance is designed for apartment dwellers, busy families, home cooks, and anyone who loves grilled food but doesn't always have access to an outdoor grill. It combines indoor grilling and air frying into a single countertop appliance while promising authentic flavor, less smoke, and more cooking versatility. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is its size and overall presence. Unlike many compact air fryers that feel limited, the Gourmia FoodStation looks and feels like a serious cooking appliance. The cast metal grill grate gives it a more premium feel than the lightweight grates commonly found on budget indoor grills. It feels durable, substantial, and built to handle regular use. The glass lid is another thoughtful touch because it allows you to monitor food without constantly opening the unit and releasing heat. In everyday cooking, that means more consistent results and less guesswork. What makes the design particularly practical is how it combines multiple cooking methods into one machine. Instead of cluttering your countertop with separate appliances, you get grilling, air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating capabilities in a single unit. For people with limited kitchen space, that's a meaningful advantage. The controls are simple enough for beginners while still offering enough flexibility for experienced home cooks. When it comes to performance, the grilling function is where this appliance really earns its place. The direct contact heating system helps create the seared texture and grill marks people expect from grilled food. Burgers, chicken, vegetables, and even steaks develop a satisfying exterior without requiring outdoor cooking. The smoke extraction technology is probably the most important feature here. While no indoor grill is completely smoke-free, this system does a noticeably better job than many competing models at reducing smoke and keeping the kitchen more comfortable. The air fryer function is equally useful in daily life. French fries, chicken wings, frozen snacks, and vegetables come out crispy with significantly less oil than traditional deep frying. The airflow system circulates heat effectively, producing results that feel much closer to a dedicated air fryer than many combo appliances manage to achieve. Switching between functions is straightforward, and most users will feel comfortable operating it after a single cooking session. Another area where the Gourmia performs well is convenience. Cleanup is relatively painless thanks to the removable non-stick grill grate, basket, and drip tray. Being dishwasher safe makes a noticeable difference after cooking greasy foods. The appliance also runs quieter than many larger countertop cooking systems, which helps it fit naturally into everyday kitchen routines. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The larger footprint means you'll need sufficient counter space. If your kitchen is extremely small, storage could become an issue. It's also priced slightly higher than basic indoor grills, though that's understandable considering the added air frying and multi-cooking functionality. Some users looking only for a simple grill may not need all the extra features. Compared with similarly priced models from Ninja, PowerXL, and other indoor grill air fryer combinations, the Gourmia FoodStation stands out because of its strong smoke extraction performance and generous cooking capacity. Many competitors focus heavily on air frying, while Gourmia feels more balanced between grilling performance and versatility. Overall, this is a great fit for people who enjoy grilled food year-round, want healthier cooking options, and appreciate having multiple cooking functions in a single appliance. It's not necessarily the cheapest option, but it delivers a well-rounded experience that makes everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you're tired of dealing with smoke, limited cooking versatility, or overcrowded countertops, the Gourmia Smokeless Indoor Grill and Air Fryer is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any deals change.